Okay, I'm going to talk to you about the tools of presenting. So my sister talked about the three key points to remember in presenting. The first one was being the messenger, not the message. Okay, so being the presenting the message is what we're going to talk about now with some presenting tools. Okay, so there's four main presenting tools that I'm going to talk to you about today, or right now. And what the first one is going to be is the one that's, what's great about this one is you don't even have to worry about it. You don't have to film this one. It's up there. It's for you. It's called the opportunity presentation. Okay, and in the next video down below, we've got an example of it, but the opportunity presentation is a great way in order for people to understand why paparazzi is so awesome. And in the presentation, the opportunity presentation, there's 5 key elements that it goes into. There's the product that it goes into and talking about why the product is so awesome and why it's going to be continually awesome and it's a great market for the product. The second one is the company, why the company's awesome, why it's here to stay, why the founders are so cool. The next one is support, what type of support you have as in a direct sales company. Next one is the compensation plan, or the third one's compensation plan, the fourth one's support. And the compensation plan, can you make money with this? Can you make money part-time? Can you make money full-time? And the last one is timing. Is this a good time to join this type of company? Is it too late? Is it too early? Is it a good time? We're talking about why this time right now is a perfect time to get started. So that's opportunity presentation. It's awesome. We want you to definitely check it out. And that's going to be your homework assignment, is making sure you watch the opportunity presentation. So when you push people to this, you actually know what's going on there and why it's a great tool to use. Okay. So the second one to do is just a very simple thing, is called a 3-way call or a 3-way group chat. So if you have a person that after you shared your story and they have some questions about the opportunity, get on with a leader, get on with a fellow teammate, or a fellow paparazzi sister, and get on a little group chat and just say, hey, I've got this friend that she's interested in the opportunity. Would you mind helping me answer some questions for her? So very, very easy way just to kind of be in a little group chat. And what's great about that is, again, what my sister talked about is you're creating the emotional bond with the potential person, and the team member, the leader, is helping to create another sort of advice out of the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses. You shall know my word. So it's kind of a way to be able to have another point of view, another person's kind of word on the opportunity. Okay. The third one is a what do I do video. Okay, so we have an example of that down below as well. But what it is, it's just going into, it's a shorter video, and this is what's great about this video versus the opportunity presentation. Opportunity presentation, it's anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. So it's a little bit longer, but it has very good information on there. The what do I do video is about a 4 to 5 minute video. And this is one that we want you to record, and we're gonna have you practice on this, but it goes into saying, who am I, or who's the company, what is it? So it's kind of who, what, why, and how. Okay, so who's the company, what is the product, why do you want to do it, and how, kind of like the call to action next. So it's going to be a short 4 to 5 minute video. We'll have an example down below and some prompts in the workbook of how to kind of film this video and have you use that as a presenting tool. Okay, the last one is a very simple way that we've seen a lot in paparazzi. It's called the opportunity live. So what it is if you're going live selling the product a bunch of times, 1 day a week, maybe twice a week, you just get on, you don't sell the product at all, and you just talk about the opportunity. Just say, hey, you guys, I'm going live on Thursday at 3 o'clock, and I want to talk about the opportunity for anybody that wants to join. And sometimes people have posted a question like, hey, if you have any questions, put them in the feed or personal message me, and I'll make sure to answer them on the opportunity live. But if no one answers anything, or you don't really know what to talk about, no one's really engaging with you on the opportunity live, a couple things that you can go over as a structure, we'll have this in the workbook, is tell your story. We talked about the importance of telling your story and creating that emotional bond, right? Telling your story, you can go into some of the what do I do video points on there, like who's the company, what is the product. You can go into the jewelry, some of the starter kit stuff, and just make it an open forum. Just kind of be like, hey, I'm not here to try and sell you up, to sell you and kind of be salesy and spammy and pushy. Hey, I'm just here to answer questions. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, another one you can talk about is the idea of hey, guess what? On the opportunity live, there's a difference in the discount with signing up, which is perfectly fine. Sign up for the discount, you get it cheaper, or the actual business opportunity and how you can help them in the business opportunity, and it makes some extra money, especially during the holidays or any time of their life. Okay, so these are really important tools for you to be able to use with your prospects, especially after you invite them, inviting them to present. And the next little part, I'm going to show you how this process works with how to tell your story, how to push them to the presenting tool, and then how to follow up in that whole thing. So stay tuned. And a really cool tool to wrap all these different presenting things that we just talked about in your story is called Linktree. If you've heard of this or not, it's a really cool tool that you can go into. It's free. There's a paid version, but you don't really need to use it. but what it is, it's a link tree. It's just one link that has a bunch of different links inside of it, okay? So we'll have a little link down below that you can click there and kind of get started with it. But what we want as an idea with the link tree is have your story. So we want you to record your story and have a video of that. You can post it on YouTube, or we can have a couple different places that you can post it. But we want your story there that you can push people to. Like, hey, if you're out and about, like on a face-to-face, hey, go check out my link tree and it has my story on there. Cool? So you can have your story link on there. You can have your what do I do video on there, because we want you to record that as well. And then you can have the opportunity presentation link in there. And if you're not quite there to do the what do I do video, just put in your story in there, basic minimum that we want in there, the opportunity presentation link in there. We want your Facebook business page in there where you're selling. You can put like your website if you have a website, or like your replicated site in there. So it's a really cool tool in order to put a bunch of information of how people can contact you in one spot. Okay. I want to talk to you about the process of, we've talked about finding, we've talked about telling your story and adding that curiosity element to it, and making sure you're the messenger, not the message. And we talked about the inviting and the different steps, the 8 steps, remember the 8 steps? And now we've been talking about the presenting tools, okay? So I'm going to talk to you about the process of how to invite and how to use the process to be able to invite them to the presenting tool, okay? So here's you. Here's the potential person that shows a little bit of interest, or you want to kind of push them to the opportunity, and then here's the presenting tool, okay? So what you're gonna do is right here, first, you're gonna come over here, and you're going to tell your story. And remember, we know the importance of telling your story because it creates an emotional bond. Especially, my mom talked about the importance of adding a little emotion to it. If you add emotion and curiosity, it creates that, it's kind of like that power in vulnerability, okay? It's really cool, but you tell your story, and your story is important and special to everyone, okay? So you create that bond with them, and from that, you have a little bit more credibility with the person, that they're willing to invite them over to the presenting tool. So over here, you got the last step we talked about, invite. So you're gonna invite, use some of those steps and different approaches we talked about over here. And then from here, the presenting tool is, if you do the opportunity presentation, is doing the presenting for you. How awesome is that? So they're doing the presenting, okay? So right here, we've gotten, you found the person, so that's step 1. Yesterday we talked about step 2 is inviting. Step 3 we're on presenting, and the next step we're going to be talking about is going to be over here. Hopefully that they'll be able to follow up back with you, but guess what? We don't want them to just have the ownership of just following up, so you want to make sure you follow up with them as well. So I would say don't leave it in their control in following up. Even like with my mom, we talked about the 8 steps, make sure you're the one following up with them. Make sure you do it. So it's this idea of telling the story, creating the bond, inviting them. The tool over here is doing the presenting for you, and then you're following up with them right there, or vice versa, in order to be able to make sure you answer the questions, make sure you kind of get there, and hopefully from that point, you're able to help sign them up and become a paparazzi consultant. So hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, let us know, and you'll be able to start signing people up and get that goal of hitting the core rank. Okay? Remember, always love your life.